I've made all this money from putting meme coins. Just keep watching because I'm gonna expose everything and I'm gonna show you exactly how to get rich from it. Now guys, I'm going to be fully transparent with you guys. The concept is really simple. Basically, we just launch coins, wait for buyers to buy in our coin. After that, we remove the liquidity and we're walking away with thousands of dollars on every single meme coin launch. And the best part is that it's fully repeatable. While everyone else is trading meme coins, we're just launching them secretly and profiting thousands of dollars. And yes, you have nothing to lose if you have a bit of common sense and just a bit of time on your hands and a keyboard and a mouse. You can make so much money, it's actually insane. I've personally made over 6 figures in the past month by doing this, and I'm gonna share with you guys exactly how to do it yourself. But obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, cap. But please do not copy me, cap, again. But anyways, now it's time for the fun part, launching your own coin. Now, to launch your first coin, you want to come to launchnow.fun. And here, it is where you will be able to launch and create your own coin on the Solana blockchain with no coding required and super fast, obviously. And the special part about what this website offers is that all the coins that are created through here are all launched on the Radium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun, because nowadays Pump.Fun is too saturated. All the coins, they flop. And also, every single coin on Pump.Fun has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to migrate on the Radium DEX, right? But by launching your own coins on launchtoken.Fun, it's gonna skip that migration time, and head directly on the Radium DEX to reach way more eyeballs. But yeah, so to launch your own coin, you have 2 different options. The first option is to make an original coin for yourself. So for example, if a viral meme came out, if someone popular tweeted, or if a news came out or something or some shit, you could come here, token name, token symbol, token image. You would just put that. After that, you would click next and head over to simple steps. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can actually come to the copy trending coins feature right here, and you can actually steal what is already working. Now, all the coins that filters out here are all trending, they're all pumping on Pump.Fun. So you're basically stealing the idea, copying it, and making money off of it, and then you can just rinse and repeat. And if you are a bit confused or you just don't trust the process, well, I'm actually going to do a live example right now to prove that this shit actually works, okay? Now, the justice for Moto right here just got my attention. It has 70 replies, it's king of the hill, it has a $40,000 market cap, and the last buy 5 seconds ago. So I'm almost certain that I can make at least a couple $100 off this one launch. So I'm gonna create coin right here. Well, duplicate it. A warning will pop up. It's completely normal. Just proceed anyway and confirm. Boom, boom. And then your coin should be created shortly. Just be patient. Copy here. Click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Now here your coin should be selected. Here select your Solana Binance and amount token A. I will click on max to put 1 billion coins in the pool. Obviously you can do 90% if you want to keep 10% of the supply in your wallet, but I'm just gonna do max and put 1 billion coins in the pool. Amount token B is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. You are not losing this money. It will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity. I'm going to put 0.5 Solana. Obviously you can put the minimum if you want, 0.3 Solana, and once again you are not losing this money right here. And then make sure you have enough here in your wallet, and then click on create pool. Then do confirm. After that, click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already $72 in profit, which is absolutely insane. Now if I click on vote on, whoops, now your coin is live. Okay, it pumped a bit. Let me see on the 1 second chart. Okay, not bad. Oh my god, this coin is going absolutely nuts. Oh my god, it's pumping. Let's go. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. One more decent pump, and I am gonna remove the liquidity, bro. Fuck it. No, that's not enough. I want more money, bro. Give me money. Oh my god! Oh my god, let's go! Oh my god, it's pumping! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to launchtoken.Fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. No! My password, no! Come on! Confirm! What? No. Boom! That's exactly how we print money off launching meme coins, bro. You launch it and then you dump it, bro. Let's freaking go. Launchtoken.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. And by the way, if you don't believe me, if I open my Phantom wallet, $540 is inside my wallet. I made a $400 profit off this one launch, bro. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.